Hello, everybody. I'm Sonia. I do intermittent fasting every day. So, today is one of those days, actually, since yesterday, that I've not been in mood to fast at all. Even to do a 13-hour fast is becoming so difficult for me. Yesterday, I had my eating window for around 5 hours, and then I still came back home, continued eating, and then again had to change my timing on the app. I follow the Zero app where I try to track my timing accordingly. So today is one of those days where I woke up very hungry. I don't have any motivation to do any kind of uh, fasting. I just want to keep eating. I don't know, like, is it something that uh, since I reached my goal recently, I have touched my goal. I fit into my wedding blouse. My son's baptism was very well. I had planned for this day to fit into the blouse so that I can wear my wedding saree to the church and go. So that was my goal, and I have achieved that goal. Goal is done. Now I'm finding it very difficult to get back into that motivation zone where I don't know what to do, which is the next step. Since we are Christians, my next goal should be to look really fit on Christmas. So I do have this small, maybe 100 days goal that I can keep, but I am very unsure. I don't know what is it. So my husband suggested this one thing. Since clothes fit as a perfect goal for you, why don't you buy something which you want to fit into for Christmas? So that I have this kind of goal in my mind where I can plan for that, because I had this wedding blouse that I wanted to get into for 10 months. I worked on it, like, even till the day, like, the baptism was on 7th of September. Till 6th I was fasting a lot. Like, I did good 19-20 hours of fasting. So now I'm losing on motivation. I'm losing on I don't know what else to do. I'm thinking I've touched 92, I look good, and I feel lighter. But yes, I do definitely want to see myself 20 kgs more lighter. I am overall around I'm overall around, I guess, 40 kgs or 45 kgs overweight, completed 20 kgs already. So I have left around, I think, around 25 kgs more, where I can, or 23 kgs more, touching around weight around 60, 62 or something like that. 65 is my ideal weight that I should be according to my height. So I let's see, follow along. Today is one of those days when I am not in motivation at all. I want to make this video very real, because there are days when you don't feel like fasting at all. There are days when you don't want to do much of exercise, don't want to think about weight loss all the time, because your mind gets messed up so much, because you're constantly thinking what next to eat, what to do next, whether I've had enough protein or no for the day, if the fiber content is enough or no. And sometimes, along with household work and kids being taken care, my daughter's exams are going on, I'm really stressed about that as well. I don't know how is she going to do it. She's just 4, but still, the teacher has put a lot of pressure, saying that okay, they have to not miss school and they have to be. So I want to take care of her, make her practice a lot of things. So I do have a, I don't know, this is just, probably it is just a phase. I feel like I've achieved my goal, अभी थोड़ा ब्रेक लेंगे, ऐसा वाला फीलिंग आ रहा है. बट पता नहीं कैसे होगा, मैं बताती रहूँगी इस वीडियो में. I fasted for 14 hours exactly, and I'm eating my breakfast. Lunch I try to keep very simple. I made potato vegetable. There was leftover paneer butter masala at home, and then I made some nice hot rotis, even tea as well, because I wanted to dip my rotis in tea. So I love that combination. I didn't want to skip on dessert. Had one brownie piece with some chocolate. By 3:10, by 3:15 max, my eating window was done over here. Only 4 hours of eating window. So it's currently 3 o'clock. By 3:15, I finished eating everything, and I just wanted to wrap up. I didn't want to think about food again, because I don't want to keep thinking about my mood right now, so that I can just overcome this phase where I don't want to fast. So I decided that I want to end up my eating window by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I've had good 5 hours and I ate 2 meals, and maybe I didn't eat any fruit also today in the middle. So I've just had 2 meals, and I did have a dessert, that is ice cream. I just ate whatever I wanted to eat, and I'm wrapping up my eating window today. So let's see if in the night, if I'm again craving, I'm hungry, I'm starving and everything, I'll update. If not, I think I'll be ending this video. These are one of those days where I'm trying to overcome my uh, days where I don't want to fast. I don't want to think about dieting. I just want to keep eating the whole day. But still, I'm trying to pass that phase and focus on mostly on the larger picture and think about motivating myself to reduce more. I will make a detailed video in future. I'm writing the content of it right now, of how I was able to reduce 20 kgs in 10 months. It is nothing. I just did 2 kgs every month. So that was a very clean and fast that I could do and come up with him while I'm breastfeeding my 1 year old. So I'll keep you all updated, and thank you for tagging along.